Hey everybody, it's Christina Daves with your Get Famous Friday PR tip. Today I want to talk about celebrity and how celebrity sells. As you can imagine, people pay a lot of money to get celebrities to endorse their product, their service, their brand. But there are ways that you can do it yourself. My product is fashion accessories for medical boots. And whenever I see a celebrity who's in a boot, I reach out to them. And you would be shocked how many people say, oh my gosh, I would love to wear your product. Diana Ross wore my product. Olympic gymnast Jordan Weber wore the product. Um, Most recently, Carla Hall of The Chew, and that was super easy. I Googled her producer, sent an email, she wore it, she Instagrammed it, she gave me so much love. So if you have a product, a service, a brand, a book, anything like that that you know will resonate with a celebrity because of whatever their situation is, do a Google search, find their manager, find their social media account, tweet at them. It's so easy to reach celebrities today, and you don't have to pay for it. And the benefits will tell you when Diana Ross wore my product, changed my life, changed my business. So hopefully you have something that would be intriguing to a celebrity and you can get it in their hands and get some amazing free publicity that way. That's this week's tip. If you want more, if you want to get your business in the media, get exposure, potentially millions of people, join the PR Challenge, www.yourprchallenge.com. Every day for 10 days, I send you a short video and some action items, what you can do to help get publicity, and people are having crazy, crazy success. So I hope to see you in the group. There's a great Facebook group too, yourprchallenge.com, and I'll see you next week.